Yo cho phản áo, yo cho phản ngô, yo cho mà chua, dia di awal dia cho dia, ye ya vai lo chama lo china, ole wai chu la fu le o yai ne me o fu rai, ina ia man bia oi, ma ye o fu chu lui ai mo le lo ne, o cho chama foi, o ne cho fa ono atu ya cho fa ya chasi atu ya
To Proverbs 10 verses 27 to 30. Obey the Lord and you will live longer. The wicked die before their time. The hopes of good men lead to joy, but wicked people can look forward to nothing. The Lord protects honest people, but destroys those who do wrong. Righteous people will always have security, but the wicked will not survive in the land. Amen.